Hello all, this is Loner420 from Loner420 House. Sorry I haven't been on lately. I've been just reading up on website building, and I'm hoping by the end of the month, this month, I'll have a proper website, Loner420house.ca, which will be running properly, I'm hoping. Anyhow, I'm at home. I'm going to do a dab of my honey oil. Monday, beautiful sunny day here on Vancouver Island. Feeling for the east. Got my two oldest girls there and Natalie in Ottawa, so they're still roughing it with the snow. My son down south in Georgia, I think he's doing okay down there. Again, happy 420 all. From Loner420 House again. Yeah, I'm at home doing my dab, honey oil dab. Also, I should have videotaped. Yeah. Again, that's why I always post cough, cough, obviously. But I should have videotaped my smoothie. It's strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Of course, all organic. Alright, happy 420 all for Loner420 House. Here on Vancouver Island. Signing out.